All right, guys. So our long here at 46.56 is not really behaving the way it's supposed to. This is I got in based on a switch trade, and if the price breaks below 46.47, I'm gonna go short and reverse this trade. So just a function, either the market is gonna go up from here, or I'm gonna reverse this trade and start a short position. Because I'm looking at the 12 Intirinko, and we may get, here we go. So we got a 6 here, 6 on. Now I'd like to add all the way up to 10 contracts if I can get some more. The key to this, if we break below 30, 46.30 is the key. So I got a stop going on right now, 46.61. If we start breaking above that, we'll be breaking above the channel that's making this happen. The market, for it to go lower, it needs to break below 46.40 and on a multi-candle. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and I'm trying to put on 10 contracts here. As long as we don't break 61, I should be okay. It hit 48. There's a lot of people lined up there. Yeah, I'd rather add as it goes up or as it bounces up. So we're looking at NQ. NQ had a captain set up earlier on the 12 around 9:40. And the market has been drifting lower. I guess we have to be a little bit patient here. Yeah, if it start breaking below 40, I'm not gonna really add to it because I'll be missing. I don't want to average too much as it moves in my favor without any signals to get me in. Here we go. I really need to add to this thing. This thing is has all the signs of a very good trade. We got a captain set up. I'll add to it here, but it needs to really break 46.42 if I can get some. I'm gonna go try to get. Here we go. We got some here. So we're in 8, and I have 2 out. We need 2 more. Maybe we'll get a bounce here. Yeah, let's see if we can get a bounce. Yeah, if I can get rid of a couple of contracts, then I'll add them back in. I just want to pay. I want to pay for the trade, so this way it'll be a little bit more I would have patience with the trade if I already paid for it. We're about flat here. See, the key is, 59, 60, 61. As long as we're trading under that, we should be okay. A lot of times when you see a 46.50 when you're in the half back on crude, that typically holds up. Alright, I'm gonna mute I'm gonna take a picture of this and post it on StockTwits. I'll put myself on mute a little bit. Either it's gonna start running down and get basically 3 contracts off. Hopefully the market bounced back and I can add him back in. We'll see what happens. We're getting, here we go back again here. We're getting price actions coming to that 50. So I'm going to sell some more, trying to get the average of prices below or high, a little bit higher, maybe in around 47. Here we go, we're getting 2. As long as we don't break 55, I should be fine. I have 10 now. Should be okay with that. They don't make it easy, do they? Yeah, I would start getting really concerned if we start breaking 55 then I have to make a decision on a lot of contracts. But hey, I'm willing to take a risk on this trade, so let's see where it goes. So the key here is if we flip around. If we flip around here and the candle closes in and around or below 44, then I should be just fine. Yeah, with 10 contracts, any blip can be a significant amount of money. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more here. I'm good as far as we don't start breaking 55. I'll add a little bit. Maybe go up to 15. This may be a 20 contract trade. Yeah, I've seen a lot of patterns whenever you have a captain set up, then you have a trigger trade right after it. Then we'll be okay if that happens. Otherwise, this thing is gonna run up all the way to 60, and I get stopped out. I may add here in a minute or so. Alright, we're gonna do 15. Yeah, that 55 got a hold here. Yeah, any price we break above 57, then I'm gonna get stopped at. If we break below 44, then we are in good shape. Then I'll have myself a captain set up and a trigger trade, and that's a formation that I may even add another 5 contracts on top of that if we break below 44. Alright, I'm going to put myself on mute for just a second here. Alright, here we go. So average 48, 46, 48. Good deal. Here we go. So what I'm going to do, well, this is good development now. So I have a captain setup and a trigger trade. Both those signals are right next to each other. So I'm going to look to pay for this trade because I have a lot of contracts on. Maybe look into getting out around the 40 for some of it all the way down to 46.35, in and around that area. Typically around the trend line you'll see price bouncing around. Yeah, I'll start moving up. 42.39. Yeah, we need to get something out of this trade. So it'll buy us some time to stay in the trade for a little bit longer. Here we go. Alright, we're picking up something. So 42 exit 2 contracts. This candle closes at 41. We should be, boom, here we go. Get out another 2. I hope they don't bounce it up here. Yeah, let's take another 2. 41. Okay, out 1. Yeah, it's pausing here. Here we go. 1 and 1. Okay, perfect. So I got, what is that? 6 contracts. So I got rid of 6 contracts here. So that pretty much paid for the trade. I need to reduce my my stop. I need to move it down a little bit here. I'll do it in a second. Yeah, I'm posting this to StockTwits. Alright, so the key is a simple one. We really need to break 46.38. We need to start testing 35. Right there, most likely the price is going to pause a little bit. They tend to pause, unless there's a lot of momentum, then it'll slice right through it. And start looking for target number 2. Target number 2 is 46.26. Yeah, in and around 46.85. I'll just add. Well, not necessarily add. I'll start to take some out too, because the price has a high probability of bouncing in and around 35. That trend line. Yeah, if you guys look at the big picture is 46. We should be. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Good man, good man. So I gotta take some more around here, 35. Yeah, so this trade is paid for. Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of, is them bouncing it right here. So I gotta make sure that I pocket as much profit. Here we go. So now, no risk on this trade. I made some money off of it. I haven't looked as much. I don't know exactly how much, but this trade is a profitable trade, and I'm looking for. Here we go. So all right. So I got 6 left. Now the key is, can we get to target number 2? Then from there, target number 3, 46.15. That would be sweet. Yeah, this thing is destined to 46. Very nice. So hit target number, boom, out. I need to start getting out of here. Yeah, they're pausing it. I'm pausing it here. That's not good. So what is this? Target number 2. Yeah, it may require a little bit more work to hit target number 3. Yeah, I need to get out of this thing. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. I gotta. Okay, so we have 4, 2 out here if I can, and 2 out. Okay, so out 2, good. Need 2 more. Yeah, I should probably hold on to it and test to see if the T zone gets hit and how we react to it. It just don't necessarily want to give up a $400 profit here. Take one more. Yeah, I probably should be out of it. I'll take all over here. 46.27, and I'll take another one. I'll be left with one if they give this to me. Yeah. If this thing reverses, then you're gonna see the price jump up to 35 in no time. So I gotta be very careful here. Let me just move that order around. Yeah, we need a little bit of burst of energy to 46.25 so we can get rid of these 2 last contracts. Here we go. There we go. That's good. That's good. Patience paid. Now one last contract. One last contract. Yeah, one heck of a trade. I should be around 1800, I would think, on this sequence. 15 contracts add up. Here we go. Close at 20. We should be hitting target number 3 at 46.15. We're looking good on that front. I'll hold on to it till then. But if we start reversing, I'll bail out. Yeah, they make it very challenging whenever they pause like that. It's typically I like to thin my position down till I get a sense of the direction. Sometimes what they do is they reverse it, then reverse it again, and they generate a switch trade. But sometimes the best thing to do is to do nothing. There we go. Yeah, we're on the doorsteps of that 15. One more burst and we're good to go. Yeah, it's pausing here. Man, they missed that target by like 3 ticks. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. Oh, I think I overfilled. Yeah, let's get out of here. Yeah, I think I overfilled on that order. Well, successful trade. That should get me going for the day, or the week for that matter. Yeah, you could look at the 12 in Tirinko. This break can be significant. We should be. It broke the channel on the upside. That price action busting below 36, 35. Yeah, I gotta get out of this one contract thing. All right, we took a 3 tick hiccup on that one. All right, so 15 contracts and it's solid trade. Just gonna post one more on stock twits, that last conclusion of the trade. Bear with me 1 second. I'll pull up my blotter in a minute. Should be a good one. And the key to it was 2 things. One was we got a captain setup. Second, we had a trigger trade. The Harmony swing trading indicator was short all the way through, and on the 12 in Tirinko we had a railroad trade. So you like 4 or 5 conditions that all told us the same story, which is, you know, go short. It wasn't pretty at the beginning. I mean, they bounced it around, but here we go. Oh, I think we made like around 2100. We were down like 162 before that trade. Yeah, about $2,100 on that trade. All right. Well, that's the way to do it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be done for the day, guys. I mean, that's just hitting a hard one. It's 10 o'clock, 10:42. We're getting very close to the top of the hour, so that's gonna conclude my morning session. Great trade, great start for a Monday. See, the key to a lot of this is a simple one. I mean, look at the average loss on a lot of these trades. $45, 10, 25, 25, 15. There's one trade for $100. Keep them very small. That's the key. Keep your stops. And there is a technique and a methodology to controlling your risk in a way where you can just keep it so small and manageable. And once you have a good trade like that one, you could add to it, and boom. Please subscribe to get access to more educational videos. You can also follow our trades in social media below. And remember, always trade in harmony.